How to uninstall Steam games without logging in. So let me close out Steam real quick. Okay, now you want to go to search and type in File Explorer. Click on it. Once we're here, you want to go to your Windows drive, so your C drive, Program Files x86, and then Steam, Steam Apps, Common, and then you want to delete the game folder. Also, if you have the game installed on any other drives, you want to delete it on those drives as well. So for me, I've got it on my D drive as well. So I went to my other drive and then Steam Library, and now Steam Apps, Common, and I've got the game here as well. I'm going to delete this. To stop Steam from thinking the game is installed when you eventually log back in, you want to go to this PC, C drive, Program Files x86, Steam, Steam Apps, and you want to delete the correct app manifest ID right here. To know which ID is which, you want to go to SteamDB, then you want to type in the game name, then you want to find the app ID. Here it is for me. This is the same app ID right here. This is the same one. So I'm going to delete this one right here. That's how you do it.